There's over 1,500 species of whitefly, and the granddaddy of them all is the giant whitefly. The damage it leaves behind is a sticky, gooey mess and nasty web-like material which slowly kills many types of plants. Regardless of the species, the whitefly is a piercing, sucking insect that sucks out plant juices. And the little pigs that they are, they don't eat all of it, and what's left behind rots so plants stop growing. You'd think we'd go after the adults, but because of their waxy wings, it's a futile attempt to use chemicals on them. So we concentrate on getting rid of their eggs by washing off the plants with a homemade insecticidal soap up to 30 days in a row. Spray the top, sides, and especially the undersides of the leaves because that's where the eggs are hiding. When you see there's no longer any whitefly activity, bust out the liquid fertilizer for a foliar spray and soil drench to build up the plant's immunity. Yeah, controlling whitefly with the Chapin family of sprayers.